Hello kids. Today we are going to start a second semester syllabus. Subject is science. So turn the page. See here. Lesson number 6, Safety and First Aid. Safety and First Aid. Today's topic is lesson is Safety and First Aid. Okay? In this lesson, we shall study accidents and safety, safety on the road at home, safety measures while handling electrical appliances, safety at swimming pool, first aid kit, and burns, bleeding, wound, and insect stings. In this lesson, we are going to study accident and safety. Safety on road and at home. Safety measures while handling electric appliances and safety at swimming pool and first aid kit, and last is burns, bleeding wound and insect stings. These all points we are going to learn in this lesson. Lesson number 6, Safety and First Aid. Accident and safety. Accidents and safety. Any event that happened unexpectedly and harms people is called an accident. Accidents are caused by sometimes due to our own carelessness and sometimes due to that of others. Accident means, what is accident? Any event that happens unexpectedly. Any event that happened unexpectedly and harms people is called an accident. Any events that happens unexpectedly and harms people along with property or things is called accident. Accidents are caused sometimes due to our own carelessness and sometimes due to that others. Accidents can take place anywhere and anytime. Accidents can take place anywhere and at any time. It is not a fixed time, fixed place for accidents. It can happen anywhere at any time. We must therefore ensure that we are always alert and so take safety precautions wherever we may be, at home, on the road, at swimming pool, etc. Accidents can take place anywhere at any time. It will not tell you it's happened here, it's happened this time, that time. Accidents can take place anywhere at any time. So we must ensure that we are always alert and also take safety precautions. Everywhere we may be at home, at school, on road, at the swimming pool, etc. Safety on the road. Road accidents can be avoided if people take precautions for their own safety as well as that others. Safety on road. Safety on the road. Road accidents can be avoided if people take precautions for their own safety as well as the others' safety, as well as the others too. Look at this picture given below. Point out 4 things that should be totally avoided on the road. Look in this picture. What are those 4 points are there that we avoid on the road? In here, two persons are fighting, it should be avoid. It must avoid. Next, here children are playing, it is a wrong. This one boy flying a kite, it's also wrong, it should avoid. Next, see here, children are playing, it should also avoid. And this one boy cycling across the road, it is a wrong. You follow the traffic rules. Okay? Next, see. This one man, conductor, is coming out. It is also wrong. And this auto man and bike man, they are overtaking the bikes and autos. Understood? These fighting, playing on the road, it should avoid. It should be totally avoid on the road, and we follow the traffic rules. Okay? Now we see golden rules. Golden rules of safety on the road. Children must never go out unaccompanied by an adult. Children must never go out unaccompanied by an adult. Always walk on pavements, means footpath. Always walk on footpath. If there is not a one, walk on the right side of the road. If there is not one, walk on the right side of the road. Learn to read the traffic signal correctly. Cross the road only when vehicles are stationary. Cross the road when vehicles are stationary. Always cross the road at zigzag crossing. First, look at right, then to the left, then to the right again, and only then cross the road when the traffic stops. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. First look at right and look at to the left again, then look at the right again to then, only then cross the road when the traffic stops. Never listen to music. Never listen to music using earphones, headphones when on the road. When we'll walk on road, never listen musics. Okay? Using headphone, earphones when walk on the road. Don't run behind or get off a moving bus. Don't run behind or get off a moving bus. This we should avoid. We follow the safety rules. Understood now? Some golden rules of safety on the road. We must follow this one. Next one is safety at home. Although a home is a protected environment, there are chances of accidents happening at home too. Most accidents at home happen in the kitchen or while handling electric appliances or when children handle sharp pointed objects. Most accidents also happen home too. When we in kitchen and handling electric appliances and using a sharp pointed object, we must take a precaution. Otherwise, accident will happen. Golden rules of safety at home. Some rules are there of safety at home. Prevention is always better than cure. Every home must have proper electrical wiring and fire execution to deal with fire accidents. In the kitchen, do not leave sharp pointed objects such as nails, scissors, staplers, pins, bottle opener, etc. lying around. In kitchen, don't leave sharp pointed objects such as nails, scissors, knives, stapler pins, bottles opener, etc. lying around. Do not distract a person working in the kitchen, especially when cooking or when using electrical appliances such as a mixer or grinder. Don't disturb a person who is working in kitchen when using electrical appliances such as mixer, grinders. Okay, next scene. Use only a strong and sturdy tools to reach a high shelf. Use only strong and sturdy tools. Next, wipe off the water spilled on the floor immediately. Wipe off the water spilled on the floor immediately, because we slip down on that water. So wipe off the water split on the floor immediately. Always be alert to the smell of gas. In case of gas leak, in such a situation, open all windows and doors of the house and switch off the mains. Always alert to the smell of gas in case of gas leakage. In such a situation, open all windows, doors of the house and switch off the main switch. Okay. Next, see safety while handling electrical appliances. We cannot do without the fan. The refrigerator, the television, and so on. Can we? No. We cannot do without the fan, refrigerator, televisions, etc. These appliances are very useful and make our life easy and comfortable. We must therefore learn to use them correctly and avoid accidents at home. These fan, refrigerator, televisions, washing machines, okay, these all appliances are very useful to make our life easy and comfortable. So we must learn to use them correctly and avoid accidents at home. Children must never handle electrical appliances on their own. Children must never handle electrical appliances on their own. Never use new electrical appliances without reading the instructions manual carefully. Don't use new electrical appliances without reading the instructions manual carefully. Switch off the plug or device with the dry hand only. Switch off the plug or device with a dry hand only. Don't use a wet hand. Okay? Use always dry hands. A faulty electrical wire plugs or fuse must be repaired by an electrician only. A faulty electric wire, plug, fuse must be repaired by electrician only. Don't do you you don't repair that one. You call the electrician and make a repair that one. In case a person receives an electric shocks, shut off the mains immediately. In case a person receives an electric shock, that time you shut off and mains immediately. You set off and mains immediately. Okay? Understood, kids? Now we will see in the next video safety at swimming pool and its first aid, burning, bleeding wounds or insect stings, etc. Here you read the lesson and write down new words or difficult words in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.